Today, we will be making apple cinnamon oatmeal. This recipe is brought to you by the Virginia Family Nutrition Program. Begin by gathering your ingredients. First, pour your oats into a microwave-safe bowl. Next, add water and cover with a paper towel. Cook in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes or until thickened. Next, carefully remove the bowl from the microwave. Stir your ingredients until mixed. Finally, add applesauce and apple pie spice to oatmeal. Stir until combined. Serve and enjoy.